Good morning. We got a trike here. What brand is this?
It's a Catrike.
It's a Catrike?
Yeah.
And it's got an e-trike, right? It's got a battery?
Yeah. Catrike. This is the demand.
Oh, it's made in USA. Sweet! Made in USA
And-
trike on a made in USA
And
rack.
it has full suspension.
And it has full suspension.
Because she broke her arm, and so now she's right there to where she can go like this instead of out like this.
Okay, so it helps with
That's
the
why
reach.
She bought it. 'Cause
Got it.
She loves to ride.
Got it. So we did a little modification to our ground baskets, but seem to have a pretty good fit. This is on DaSanchez because you're gonna need the wider rack to get this wheelbase, cross wheelbase in. This is something we're definitely interested in working on and developing for, and we're already there pretty much. We created the part with the kick out low bar. It eventually pushes it out, which gives you full clearance. This is a beautiful thing the way it's set up right now. And the rack is still low. You can lower it and unload. We do recommend removing the battery when you do this. However, I think we got a winner. Chicken dinner.